Woo! Everyone join me as we make this yummy cake. I tested it and it was really mwah. So welcome to my channel. This is Capricorn. If you're watching this for the first time, please subscribe. Yeah, so we are going to make a banana cake, and this is how we are going to begin. We first cleaned, and my bananas were rotting, so I decided to get 5 of them and make a cake. So you saw my ngano, and then I have my eggs. These were 3 eggs, but I reduced to 2 because of the size of the cake. And then I got my baking powder, that's my sugar, yeah, and then I had my cooking oil there. I'll begin by cleaning my small basin. I don't know what they call it, but in our language they call it katasa. So in case you know that the name in English, please comment it down below. And then I peel my bananas. So that's me peeling one by one. So you guys, I want you to test this. If you can't buy it, then please do it at home. It's really simple. It's a simple recipe. You're going to get a very soft cake. So try it with me. So these are the 5 bananas. They should be ripe. They should be ripe. I repeat that. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Turn on the notification bell. Yeah, I'll be giving you more and more. So that's me. I'm done with the peeling. So we're going to keep mixing, squeezing it. But I guess you can use a blender. You can blend it. That's if. But if you're like me and you don't own a mixer, you don't own what? I didn't think of using a blender, but then I guess you can use that. Yeah. So me, I used my mingling stack and that container. So I squeezed it until it was well smashed. You smash it and smash it until you feel you've really done your best. By the way, it was my first time to make a banana cake at home. I've always tasted ones in restaurants, like, yeah, and I don't know. Today I decided to do it myself, cause yeah. Anyway, I'm going off topic, but I add my sugar. So you see me, I added, that was 50 grams because I used 5 bananas, and then I added 2 eggs in them. I guess the sugar can just pour it there because it melts automatically, like immediately. So you add in the 2 eggs and keep beating them as you see me there. Yeah, so after we are going to add in cooking oil. It was supposed to be 50 grams, but then I couldn't measure it. I used two covers of my cooking oil bottle. So it was a big one. So I added 3. So when you add in that cooking oil, it makes the cake soft, it makes it soft. And then we are going to add in our flour. Yeah, as I said, it's going to be a small cake, so I used 500 grams. So you add in gradually a little, and then you keep mixing. You mix, mix like that until the flour gets finished. That was 500. Actually, I'll be putting the ingredients that I used and the quantities. So I added in as I mix, but I would advise you, if you're going to use this method, please, you should be making a small cake actually, because if you're making a big cake and you're going to use this method, my dear, your hand is going to, but anyways, so I kept on mixing until the flour got finished. You see it? Yeah, I mix. So that I don't know, engano yo eno kubanga eyika. You excuse me, I'll be using different languages. So eno kubanga eyika nga tekutte. So that's it. That's how it's looking. Yeah, I kept on mixing because I really wanted to make something good. Yeah, and then for since this is a banana cake, we are going to put in some good baking powder. I added in 2 spoons. Yeah, big spoons. I added in 2 big spoons of baking powder. But if your the other thing, if your bananas were not ripe, like raw ripe, you add in baking is it bicarbonate? Yeah, bicarbonate, and then yeah, this is me. I decided to use my baking tin, and I love it because it's, what is it called, six-sided. It's six-sided. Anyway, so I added in my cooking oil in the container, in the baking container, and then yeah, so I kept on adding the mixture to the container, to my baking tin. Sorry for calling it a container, but the baking tin I made sure I removed everything. If possible, I could even use my finger, but yeah, so I removed everything that I could. Yeah, you see me doing that. Yeah, trying my best so that I don't leave anything. And that's how it's looking. So the next thing will be preheating the oven, and that's me doing it. I was super tired, but yeah, my oven was on, my heat was on 190 degrees, and then yeah, I first preheated, and then after I put in our mixture, our cake to be. So you keep on checking on the cake. For me, I used 45 minutes, and then after I added in some 10 minutes. Yeah, so that's how our cake looked, and I couldn't wait to test it. So bwoba ohitinga, bwoba otaddeyo cake yo, you make sure osooka teekako heat ya wansi, and then after the 45 minutes you can heat up the upper thingy, nolyoka oteekako ne heat eya waggulu, but osookera ku ya wansi. So that's how our cake looked, you guys. I was so excited. I was super happy because I did it on my own. I was super happy. That's how it looks. So soft. I like the fact that it was soft. It was actually, someone should try it out, and then you tell me how it tasted. So that's me getting a piece of it. Yeah. So that's our piece. The cake was really soft, by the way. It was an, why should I even say? Just subscribe to my channel for more videos. Love you. Bye bye. See you in my next videos.